Do you want to be the boss of your own schedule and work with a staff that considers you family? At Tri-State Nursing, you are more than just an employee. You are a valued professional with pride and part of the Tri-State Nursing family. Tri-State Nursing is now hiring registered nurses. RNs promote and restore patients' health by completing the nursing process while collaborating with physicians and multidisciplinary team members. To qualify, you must hold a current registered nursing license from the state you are applying for. You must possess knowledge in assessment, planning, and implementation of nursing care in specified clinical areas. A minimum of 1 year of travel experience is preferred. If you prefer to choose your own schedule, get paid weekly, and travel to the facility of your choice, then submit your application now.
Contact us at 712-277-4442 or at www.tristatenursing.com.